day, future leaders. My name is Bong Adriana Malyari and I'm here to answer or to solve the question number 2 in CLA 6 BASMAT. Question. A business wants to set aside money to pay for equipment maintenance. It will make quarterly payments of 20,000. A at the end and B at the beginning of each quarter into an account that earns 5% compounded quarterly for 4 years and for its present value. Without further ado, let's answer or let's solve that problem. For that, let's identify the variables. Present value is 20,000. R is percent of interest. 5% equals 0.005%. And is the number of payment is 4.4 open parenthesis 4 and close parenthesis. Gonna do this 4 times 4 is equals to 16. So for I is 0.0 interest value period 0.005 is equals to 0.0125. Divide the 0.005 to 4 to get the answer of 0.0125. Our formula here is we're gonna do the personal formula for ordinary annuities. Now let's proceed for our solution. But the formula for this is the present formula for ordinary annuities. Let's substitute this. Let's calculate the equals 20,000 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.0125 close parenthesis minus 16 divided by 0.0125. So if you calculate that, the answer is 14,000.42029,224. So after that, after you calculate that, you're gonna times the 20,000 in 14,420,29227. So the answer for that is 288,405.86. Let's move on in the part for that. So let's answer this. So you're gonna do this formula and now let's do the B part. And yung 20,000 1 minus open parenthesis now 20,000 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.0125 close parenthesis 1 minus 5 divided by 0.0125. Let's calculate that and the answer is 14.60054,592. So after that, you're gonna calculate in 20,000 times 14.60054,592. So the answer for that is P is equals to 2 for the present value for B. So for the present value for B is 292.010.92. Present value for A is 288,405,405.86. So for the present value for number or letter B is present value is equals to 292,010.92. So that's all. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.